Alright guys, this is it, Project Futura. I'm working down in Victoria recently, far away from home, and I just bought this to keep me busy in the meantime, so here we are just checking it out. I'll also do a few touch-ups on it because I have some parts in. Got the right rear wheel off because it needs upper control arms that I'm waiting on, and some brake pads which both will get their own videos. Got the tail shaft out for a new centre bearing and uni, but it was a bit complicated, just sort of crawling under the car, so I wasn't going to make a video out of that. Maybe some other time if I got another one in the shed back at home on the 4-poster. Here we got a bit of paint fade that I'll work on myself, and I've removed the fuse box because the bonnet holder mounts to it and the clips are broken off the fuse holder, so I'm going to replace it so it's nice and neat. Also pulled off the broken cup holder, might replace it and see how I go if I can get my hands on one. Then under the hood we got the mighty Barra, but it does have a miss which I have read can be the coil pack, so I'm going to be replacing them too. The bump stops on this were trash. Here's the one side that I have ripped off. It just almost fell off when I was sussing it out. Then over on this side you can see the state of the one that's still left. So I grab at it and rip on it, doesn't take much and it just pretty much falls out. Here we got the newies that just rocked up. Basically you just rip them out of the packaging, and I would recommend some form of lube, perhaps engine oil, but probably best to be rubber grease. And just put it on the part that's supposed to go through the pin or the dowel thing that sticks out from the frame of the car, and then just roll under there if you can fit, otherwise jack it up with safety stands. And then just pretty much ram it on there and just wriggle it round and round with a fair bit of pressure, and it'll just clip in, and it's simple as that. The wipers on this were trash and they also happened to rock up with the bump stops, so here's the new ones over here. I'll rip them out of the packaging, and then there's like 3 different clips that you can pick. Only one works, so you got to sort of match it up with the old one once I pull that off, as I'll show you. And then you just match up, make sure you got the right clip on it. The other ones won't work anyway once you try to put it on, so once you find the right one, put it on and it'll all fit up real easy. Now I've already done the other one, so I know which one's the right one, but I pretty much just show you how it clips in. This one's the wrong one that comes on the wiper. It comes with the right one as well somewhere else, but basically you just pop it up like that, hold your thumb against it and lever it out, and the other one you just put up in there and clip it in. Now to remove the old one, there's just a little tab, as you see me picking at here with my finger. You just want to press down on it, push down on the wiper, and then feed it up out of there. And then as for the new one, you just find the hole, pretty much repeat the opposite as to how you got it out. Find the gap, make sure the clip's in all the right way, go down, pull it in, lift it up, and it'll click right in. Simple as that. Other than that, hopefully the project works out well for me, but that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.